power y is equals to y power x, then dy by dx. So observe the given relation between y and x as x power y is equals to y power x. Almost x and y are involved together, it comes under implicit differentiation. And that too x power y and y power x are given. So first of all, you just apply logarithm on both sides. Log x power y to the base e is equals to log y to the power x base e. Okay, and by the loss of logarithm we will write it like this: y log x base e is equals to x log y base e. Our intention is to find dy by dx. So now apply derivative, that in essence differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by dx of y log x base e is equals to d by dx of x log y to the base e. So observe that left side as well as right side. Left side y log x base e. See, you need to use UV rule, product rule. First function y into derivative of the second function log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function log x to the base e into derivative of this y is dy by dx. That is equals to. Now look at this right side. Here again two functions, x log y to the base e. First function x into derivative of log y to the base e. So what is the derivative of log y to the base e? So for log it is 1 by y, right? Log y is 1 by y, and for y it is dy by dx plus second function log y to the base e into derivative of x is simply 1. Just look at the problem. Our target is to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is involved in these two terms. So collect dy by dx this side and the other part that side. So log x to the base e minus x into 1 by y is x by y into dy by dx. Okay, very simple task actually. Just have a look. Log x base e minus x by y into dy by dx is equals to log y to the base e minus y by x. Now you just took simplify here. Y log x to the base e minus x by y into dy by dx is equals to x log y to the base e minus y divided by x. So finally what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equals to, send this fraction that side, it becomes like y into x log y to the base e minus y divided by x into y log x to the base e minus x. Finally this is dy by dx. Okay, and see, just observe here. Here we have y log x base e is equals to x log y base e also. Final answer is this, but sometimes the options for the objective question may be by replacing either this y log x base e with x log y base e, or this x log y base e with that y log x base e. So this is finally dy by dx for this problem. Just have a look.